baby, and you're gone, you're gone, you're gone. Go, go, go.
Ooh, a mirror.
First mirror of the session. Finn, do you want to net it, mate?
Yeah, let me just grab it. Is it big?
It's decent.
Oh, nope.
Escaped. I got it.
This way, Faye, because you're going to go through the lines house, mate.
Right,
That's it. Let him rest.